Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Greetings from Gdansk. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Let me take you on a journey here in Gdansk. Let's go.
Wait. Hold on. Pause. Come on, rewind the clip. Let's go back to where it all began. Here we are at the Warsaw West Station, ready to jump on our train all the way to Gdańsk. Sit tight, buckle up, and enjoy the scenery. Dzień dobry, Gdańsk. Lovely sunny Sunday morning up in here. The Baltic City of Gdańsk, ready to have an adventure. But first up was actually the hotel. Check in, relax, and hit the city running. You know, the best way to see every city is actually at a locale. This is a fine dining restaurant to see the shores of Gdańsk, to see the rainforest that they do have, to climatize yourself with the city view or the train tracks. Oh God, a best way to actually see any city. Enjoy the views. Since we're in a coastal city, how about seafood? We went into an Italian restaurant and oh my god, one of the best soups in the region. Recommend it any day, anytime. You know the cravings never stop. I present to you Gdańsk Sweet Factory. Think of anything sweet and you'll find it. So after our spa session, we decided to explore the city a bit more. Is there any other way in doing that than a walking tour? I don't think so. We joined a bunch of lovely people to see the beautiful old town of Gdańsk.
And the prisoners are beaten with a stick. For this reason, people, they traditionally of the city, and embankments, they consist of three modes. Number at the start of the animal things like lion and here. Behind your back, in this passage, was the row of other cells. Also, they also deserve here the animal names like dog, cat, and so on. Very sweet names. Behind the they were crusaders active in Palestine and fighting against non-Christians. They transferred their widespread territory to Gate, but because of the variety of golden decorations, golden letters, we've tradition.
How about some traditional Polish lunch at their historic milk bars?
Let's begin. This is good. This is really good. It has some macaroni, it has some mushrooms, and it has some vegetables like some carrots. It's good. It's banging. Good. So this is basically rice with some beef. Is it beef or pork? Tastes like pork. Yeah. And then it's covered in something. I don't know what it's covered in, but yeah, this is really nice. It's also very good. It's chicken balls in some cream, and then this is this mashed potatoes by the side. Really like this too. Really like it. You can tell from the plate that this was really good and satisfying.
just to add on to the views and scenery, come on, it has to be the Eye of Gdansk.
We're in the Gdansk Eye. Ferris wheel. I'm really scared of heights, but let's do this. Let us do the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Gdansk.
Please don't be a one-timer. Please comment, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exclusives around the world. Tiwa and leave it.